Naghanap ka ba ng budget-friendly wearable that can give you everything that you need right here on your wrist? Well, this next device na papakita ko sa inyo is budget-friendly, is accurate, and is very fashionable. And gusto nyo malaman kung ano nga ba itong sinasabi natin? Don't go away after this quick intro. Hey guys, I'm Master from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And yes, you guessed it right, it's the Huawei Watch GT3 SE. Nabasa niyo sa title, no? Itong device na ito na sa kamay natin, no? For me, it's an addition to my long list of GT3 series family. And of course, gusto ko lang bigyan ng quick shoutout yung ibang GT3 device ko dito sa bahay, no? Starting off, of course, with the GT3 Pro na lagi kong gamit. Ang GT3 Pro Ceramic Edition na gamit ng aking asawa. And of course, ang GT3 na laging gamit ng aking panganay. And probably itong GT3 SE would be perfect para sa aking bunso, no? Actually, he's currently using the Huawei Watch Kids 4. But I think this device mas magugustuhan nito than, of course, the Kids 4. Probably this is the only GT3 na watch na hindi square ang box. And pag tinignan natin, no, it's a very, very simple box. Buksan muna natin. So, outright, kita na natin yung watch itself. It's very sporty. SE probably means sports edition. Quickly, tingnan muna natin things inside the box. We have the user guide and of course, the warranty card na medyo hindi na kasing kapal ng dati. And of course, ang kanyang wireless charging dock that is standard across all GT3 devices. Pwede sila mag-interchange, by the way. So, tanggalin na natin. Pop. And the strap, gusto ko siya, no? It looks nice and very sporty. I'm not really too much of a fan ng mga leather straps, so kaya mapapansin mo mga straps na meron ko sa watch ko, sa GT3 Pro ko, and sa GT3. Pinilitan ko ng, yung mga more casual na straps. So, ito, itsura ng Huawei Watch GT3 SE when you boot it up. And you can see, kakaiba yung design niya. It's not like the other GT3 na medyo mas professional looking, medyo stainless steel ang finish niya. This one is more different. It's very sporty. Pero pa siyang dial dito sa labas na actually hindi naiikot. And by the way guys, itong case yan, no, is made out of durable polymer fiber. So meaning it's very durable and it can withstand all weather conditions. And ang screen nito is a 1.43-inch na AMOLED display. 326 ppi ang meron niya. And ang resolution niya is 466 by 466 pixels. And ang weight nito, no, is roughly 35 grams. Quite lightweight. And alam mo naman mga lightweight na watch, no, is definitely one of my favorites kasi ayaw ko yung medyo mabigat sa aking wrist. So itong watch na ito has several sensors. Accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, optical heart sensor, and barometer. Then there's several GPS na meron niya. GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, QZ, SS. One of the main feature na itong watch na ito, it can match your outfit, ang kanyang watch face. So all you need to do is head on over dito sa inyong Huawei na health app. Then pipiliin nyo lang itong watch face na ito, style. So at first, ito itsura na makita mo. Pwede mo na siya i-customize after then. Makita mo, no, pwede ka mag-take ng photo. So what we can do, picture lang natin ang ating fabric, no, kung anong suot mo for the day. Like me, suot ko right now is color yellow. So select lang natin ito. Then pipili mo yung fabric color. Then check. So there's a lot of option na pwede mo i-match. So tinanan natin kung anong maganda, no. So after checking, I'll pick this one. Save. Save. Okay. So right now, isi-sync lang niya over sa aking watch. Then, in a while, makita mo, magbabago na aking watch face. Terno na siya sa aking damit, di ba? Very nice. Ayan guys, kita nyo, terno na siya sa aking damit. So, ano sa inyo guys? Terno, di ba? Ang ganda. And what's nice dito sa Huawei Watch GT3 SE, like any other Huawei GT3 devices, no, na meron ko, runs on Harmony OS 3.0. And ang ganda dito sa kanya, no, it has science-based na mga fitness dito sa watch na ito, no. So, yung marinig mo, workout completed, yung mga ganon. Dito, papakita ko sa inyo quickly. Just one workout. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo mga features dito, watch na ito, no? So, once na pinindot mo tong ring niya, yung dial niya, you will go inside dito sa mga different menus na makita mo. So, let me just quickly show you some of the stuff na gusto natin, no? Then, pag pinindot itong button na ito sa ilalim, you'll go to all the workout courses that you can see. So, there's over 100 workout courses na meron dito. So, and of course, there's some course and plan dito na tailored fit just for you. So, yun na sinasabi na science-based fitness, no? So we can see some training plans. Okay, so kung kailangan mo i-connect sa health app no, for this week's running plan. Okay, so yun ang mga science-based niya. No? And there's also some running courses dito na pwede mo tingnan, some presets dito. So say gusto mong fat burning. Okay, so ano siya, no? Gumagamit siya ng GPS and it can locate where you are. So, bibigyan ka ng ano, no? Sasabihin niya kung kailan ka tatakbo, kailan ka maghihinto. It's very accurate. One of the things na lagi kong gamit is this one, ang kanyang heart rate monitoring, no? So, this one is, for me, one of the most accurate ever sa among other watches na try ko, no? Ang Huawei Watch GT3 series, kahit ito si SE. And you can also keep track of it dito sa health app ni Huawei sa inyong smartphone. Now, ang blood oxygen level is probably one of the most important ones na you might want to always keep an eye on. Itong blood oxygen level, lalo itong pandemic, no? Especially itong COVID-19, maraming bumibili ng oximeter, no? But if you have this one, you no longer need to buy an oximeter. You can track your blood oxygen level just 24/7. And you can also track it here dito sa Huawei Health app para mas kita mo ang complete reading day to day, week to week, and probably even months. Now, another one na lagi ko tinitingnan is itong exercise ring natin. No? You can see how much calories you burn, how much steps you made throughout the day, how many times ka tumayo sa iyong upuan. Lahat makikita mo dito sa... You can also see the weather. You can also see the real-time weather, pati yung location. Pati lunar cycle, makita mo rin dito sa iyong watch. And this one is what I always check when I wake up, ang aking sleep monitoring. So this one gives you an idea kung how much sleep you had throughout the night. And if you want a more comprehensive na reading, pati kung kailan ka nag-deep sleep, kailan ka light sleep, head on over sa inyong app. So makita mo lang siya dito, no, sa sleep. Makita mo ang comprehensive na reading dito sa iyong Huawei Health app. So we can break down, may REM sleep ka, may light sleep ka, may deep sleep ka. Everything you can see here on this app para mas accurate, no? Which you cannot see on your watch itself kasi sa sobrang liit na display, you might have a hard time. Now, some people are really stressed out. So you might want to check this one out, ang yung stress management, which is also present dito sa Huawei Watch GT3 SE. So makita mo throughout the day kung anong stress level ang meron mo, no? And you can see dito, medyo medium siya, no? In the middle of the day. Okay, so yun ang activity mo throughout the day. So makita mo, ma-rate mo sarili mo kung gaano kakapagod throughout the day, if you need more rest, if you need to exert a little bit more effort, makita mo lahat dito sa stress level monitoring. Another one na gusto ko i-share sa inyo is the healthy living management. Makita mo dito, parang clover siya, no? Yan. So, kita mo yung data ko. So, makita mo itong data ko for today. Maganda ang aking sleeping, maganda ang aking breathing, except that hindi ako masyadong kumibo, no? Na medyo nasa office ako, sitting all day long. So, medyo mababa ang aking exercise for today. So, if you want to have a better understanding nito, you can head in over dito sa health app mo rin para makita mo everything that you want to know dito sa healthy living management mo. You can also check out some past data from your watch. Pero lahat makita. You can also check out some past data, but everything you can see it dito sa app, no? So you can no longer see it sa yung relo, but everything is recorded here sa inyong Huawei Health app. So this one is a very helpful app to pair together with your Huawei Watch GT3 SE. Now, I've been using itong watch na ito for quite some time already, no? So, more than 2 weeks. And sinabi ni Huawei that this one can last you for 2 weeks of usage, 14 days. I can say that the 14 days is quite achievable. Except that hindi lahat ng mga monitoring mo ay naka-on 24/7. Like sleep monitoring, like breathing, blood oxygen level, and of course, yung heart rate monitoring. Lahat yan, kailangan mo lang by demand. Okay? So, that one you can last you for 14 days kaya naman, no? But if everything's naka-on, based sa aking testing, it can last me around mga 7 days at the most, okay? So, lahat yan naka-on from sleep monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and of course, yung notification dito sa aking watch, lahat naka-on, naka-Bluetooth, roughly, mga 7 days. But if you turn off everything, on demand lang siya. 14 days, kaya naman itong watch na ito. Kahit ito ay isang entry-level na wearables ni Huawei, this one still has a speaker intact. So, pwede ka rin mag-save ng iyong mga favorite music dito sa watch na ito. Like ako, sinave natin ito, no? Si Ting Ting Tang. One of my favorite song, well, actually, favorite ng aking anak. So, ipi-play ko lang dito. And medyo malakas yung kanyang sound na. Hindi siya magpapatalo sa mga Huawei Watch GT3 Pro ko, which is quite loud din ang kanyang speaker. Perfect siya for workout. And perfect din siya kung gusto lang makinig ng music ng mga anak mo. Just like mine. So guys, kung gusto nyo hindi vulgar ang mga pinapakinggan ng songs, eh gusto mo medyo mas immersive, ikaw lang nakakarinig, you can pair always one of your favorite buds, no? Like me, na pair natin right now, itong si Huawei FreeBuds 5i, which for me is a very budget-friendly device din na nilabas si Huawei kamakailan lang. And this one, all I can do is just put it here sa ears ko and just simply play the song that I like si Ting Ting Tang. And ayaw ko marinig na buong bayan na ito pinapakinggan natin. Just play itong song na ito. Okay? So right now, it's already playing in my ears. So medyo malakas siya, no? So you can control your volume din dito sa watch na ito. Okay? So ganun lang. So kung gusto kong hinaan further, ganito lang siya. Easy. And so guys, gusto ko lang rin pakita sa inyo all the different workouts na meron niya dito, no? So sobrang dami dito. More than 100, no? Medyo mapapagod ka sa katingin dito, no? So you have indoor run, outdoor run, pati mga indoor cycle, pool swimming, lahat meron, no? So open water swimming, mountain climbing, hiking, trail run, skiing, which is probably hindi mo magamit dito sa Pilipinas, no? Then, of course, cross-country skiing, okay, rowing, and other. So you can also customize or do your own workout sets. So guys, what's not to love about the Huawei Watch GT3 SE? Budget-friendly, accurate ang mga reading na mabibigay sa'yo, lightweight, and sporty look. And kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Just check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?